A very good morning to you all. Namaste from India CSR Connect, Karibuni. Before I embark on our CSR Connect, I would like to talk few things about India, Kenya and Africa. It's my pleasure to take a note of India's development-centric partnership with Kenya and Africa. I understand that training and capacity building are core thrusts of India's engagement with Africa. The heart of the India-Kenya-Africa partnership remains the quest for growth, equity, and inclusive development. On CSR in India, with the formalization of CSR sector under the Companies Act 2013, India emerged as one of the pioneering nations to mandatorily adopt corporate social responsibility. The historic progression was instrumental in redefining the narrative of CSR. That's very important. This led companies to transform from traditional philanthropy towards institutionalizing CSR across all the levels, from governance to policy and then the operational setup of the business. India has a well-defined CSR ecosystem of bills, policies, tools and framework. I am very happy to share with you today we have 21,000 plus companies spending about $3 billion on 29 thematic areas benefiting millions of people from the vulnerable populations. We are happy to be part of India's CSR journey since 2014 itself. We started our journey from the development of technology platform to bring all the stakeholders in charity, philanthropy and CSR together for a social impact. Today, we have 55 plus NGOs and corporate as our partners working towards various social development goals across India. We are delighted to witness our technology solutions creating an inspiring impact on the life of farmers in rural parts of South India by identifying the right intervention in farming. We are also excited and happy to see that one of the schools leveraging our technology solution to connect the alumni spread across the world, coming together and bringing smiles to rural, backward and economically challenged students by way of sponsoring their education, overall growth in terms of fitness, sports and vocational training. Now, India CSR Connect takes a pride in following the pattern in partnering with Africa CSR Connect in their quest for making a significant impact on social development landscape across the continent. Africa CSR Connect is aspiring to be a leader in transforming the way charity, philanthropy and CSR is being carried out in the continent. The attitude of leveraging technology along with immense domain experience and a professional management team is what makes these guys capable enough to transform the social development landscape at national level. All of us at India CSR Connect are very happy to acknowledge the interest, passion, experience, and determination, intelligence, dedication, understanding, maturity, and kindness demonstrated by Gerald, Marianne, and team to make our partnership see this day. I personally thank Gerald, Marianne, and the team for making the connect strong. I take this opportunity to share our excitement, joy, and enthusiasm together as a team to wish Africa CSR Connect a grand success. All the very best, Gerald, Marianne, and team. Keep it up. Let us rock together as a team. Thank you. Asante Sana.
Good afternoon, team Africa CSR Connect. Greetings from India and India CSR Connect. First of all, congratulations to Gerald and team, the Africa CSR Connect team, on launching their initiative today under very difficult circumstances. I must wish you all the best for this journey. And while doing so, I think the team at India CSR Connect is reflecting on our journey so far in the last 5 years, when we started building this platform to leverage technology, to build communities, to build an ecosystem, to connect businesses, government, and civil society, and bridge the divide. And we've looked at corporates following the triple bottom line approach. We've looked at the government trying to achieve their sustainable development goal targets and the human development indicators. But it's extremely important that all of us join hands together and build this ecosystem and community to achieve these goals. And I'm happy to note that Africa CSR Connect team has worked very closely with our team for the last few months or 1 year now to really come to this day, and mind you, amidst the pandemic, when things have been very, very difficult. And given the socio-economic landscape and the position we are in, both India and Africa, the subcontinent of India and the continent of Africa, I think are ideally poised to collaborate on such a social venture, on bringing communities together, on building capacities of civil society organizations, on helping corporates identify the right civil society organizations to sort of implement their social projects, to help the government in achieving their SDG goals and improving human development indicators, right? And I think this requires a massive initiative, and I'm happy that Africa CSR Connect has collaborated and is going to collaborate and will continue to collaborate in future. And on this day, we resolve that we will work together in further collaboration for the next few years to see that we really make an impact, we make a difference in the world, to these two continents and subcontinent. And so once again, Gerald and team, wish you all the best, and all the success to you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Shaila from India CSR Connect. I'm delighted that we are taking a baby step in the mother continent. Wishing a great success and all the very best to Africa CSR Connect.
CSR Connect team. This is Amulya from India CSR Connect. Congratulations on your new venture. We are very happy and excited to be a part of this journey. Let us all work together and make this a grand success. My best wishes to the whole team. Thank you.
Hi, good morning all. This is Chandini from India CSR Connect. I am very much happy and delighted to be on this journey of social impact along with Africa CSR Connect. I wish them a great start and huge success in this new journey. All the very best and congratulations to the team. Thank you.
Hi guys, myself Sushila, AVP Corporate Partnership from India CSR Connect family. Today I'm really happy to see the launch of Africa CSR Connect, as I feel it's like growing beyond the boundaries together. I wish our Africa CSR team a great launch and a grand success. All the best team as you kickstarted today. Happy journey guys.
Hi everyone, this is Rashmi from India CSR Connect. I'm happy to connect with Africa CSR Connect. May this is a new phase be very fruitful for us. Best of luck.
Hello everyone, this is Srijit from India CSR Connect. Congratulations to the team of Africa CSR Connect and all the best wishes for your new journey and for your future. Thank you.